Hello everybody, I'm Atanasov, inventor of Turbo Decoder. Probably you are familiar with that too. On that video I want to give you additional information about Hu101. Please, if you have that product, look that video because that is important. A few months ago we discovered that on the market is a new lock. This one, they mount on the Ford Mondeo and they start using it from 2018 and then 19 and also today, where the key profile is also 101. This is a key, but they have made a change inside of the lock. In other words, they put the discs or wafers in different position, and also I discovered that they eliminate the last disc. What does it mean? It means that if you have a normal 101 with 10 cuts, 6 and 4, the tool will go inside of the lock but will not open it. No chance. For that reason we bring on the market the modified tool, Turbo Decoder, and we put W9 at the back after 101, just to remind you that this tool is 9 cuts and it's made for the new model of Ford locks. If we get a closer look to both tools, we will see that we have 4 cuts on one side on both of the tools, and on the other side we have 5 on the new model and 6 on the yesterday model. For that reason, a lot of clients who have these 2 10 cuts start to complain by saying Turbo Decoder doesn't work on Mondeo, and it will never work. There is a new tool for that reason. I will show you how it works. Of course, I will use the occasion to show you the difference and how you can recognize if the lock is 10 cuts or 9 cuts. Get with you any key blank, cut it with any code 101 and insert it into the lock. Let's do it on the actual model. Take something and make a sign just to see how deep this blank go inside. You see the blue mark here. Let's do it on the new lock. You see that this mark is far away from the face of the lock on the new model. When you see this, probably you have to deal with a new one. On any normal lock with the 10 cuts, the mark will stop exactly in the same spot. On Ford, on Range Rover, so range go deeper because there is a plastic thing, and the sign will go deeper. On Focus, 10 cuts, stop exactly at the sign. Let me show you how the new tool works. Here is information about the lock 2090 Ford. Reset procedure on that new tool is identical as on the other one. Just keep this wheel to the front and turn the back wheel totally to the right. Then with the usual setup device Hu101, put the finger here, take a look at the side, you will see holes. Just inject that calibrated needle in every singular hole and press. Take a look at the pins, all of them are in maximum high position. The orientation in Europe models is still with the 4 holes up. In UK models probably is with the 5 holes up. To insert the tool, push to the front, keep this to the right, grab the tool on this ring, insert it all the way into the lock, pull back the middle ring, and start the opening procedure. Same movements as you know. On the front wheel, apply a good tension, start to the right, turn the back wheel to 1 and go to the right completely, release the tension, check the lock, left tension, 1 again, totally back and release. Repeat this movement for 20 times. That is a standard procedure. If you want to go faster, there is other ways, but I not recommend them. Actually, the opening will come in a couple of minutes, so nothing change, nothing will die for that. And the lock is open easy as well. To extract the tool, of course, keep the tool in a neutral position, that is important. Then rotate the back wheel completely to the right, and now push this ring to the front, but keep the tool in neutral position. Other way, if you are in rotation, you're not going to be able to go with this ring forward. And now take a look at the pins. You can also be able to read the mechanical code of this lock. There is lines along the blade. When you have a tool in the hands, they are visible, you can see them and measure the pins and discover the mechanical code of the lock. And this tool doesn't work on the old models. Oh, they make it also today, but especially on this one, because it's new, I say old locks on this one. The normal 101 with the 10 cuts. The procedure is, as you know, front and right. Run the setup procedure. Now let's see what happened when we insert this old tool in a new lock. 4 holes up. Run the normal procedure. Make 20 stops on the first digit. Nothing, let's go on 2. nothing. Let's go on 3. Again 0. Let's extract the tool. Take a look at the pins. You see 4 pins from one side are in the setup start position. They didn't move down, and we see kind of a movement here. This guy is down. So somebody can tell, okay, I have the impressioning on some pins, but the tool still doesn't work. And doesn't work because the lock is different. So please keep that in mind and use it in your locksmith practice. Thank you for watching this video, and good luck with Turbo Decoder Original.